Hello viewers, a lot of users are facing battery issues on Vivo T3 5G and they were encountering excessive heating on their smartphone. There might be various reasons for heating issues on Vivo T3 5G. In this video, I will talk about the reasons and also about the solutions that might help you to reduce the heating issue on your T3. As the weather condition is very severe in these days, 42 to 45 degrees are average weather, so you might encounter excessive heating while using it in outdoor conditions, as it has a peak brightness of 1800 nits, so it will be a toll on the battery and the phone will definitely get heat up when you use it outdoor in excessive conditions and in direct sunlight. Also, the phone packs a MediaTek processor that is 7200 processor, so it might be another reason for heating, because we all know that MediaTek processors heats up too much. So you have to use some tricks to use your T3 so that you can get a very good battery life, and also your phone can give you normal temperature while using it in outdoor condition or any other scenario. The first thing that you should do is turn off the locations if you don't need it all the time. If you turn on location, it will consume a lot of data because it runs in the background. The next thing that you should do, search for Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. When you get this option, you have to turn these options off because you don't need Wi-Fi scanning all the time. It will run in the background and kill your battery, and also it will be the reason for the heating issue in your T3. So keep these options off and you will get a stable battery life, and also your phone will not heat up too much. The next thing that you can do, whenever you are not using your phone in direct sunlight, turn on the dark mode, because in AMOLED displays, dark display consume a less battery, so it will conserve the energy and also it will spare your device from heating. The next thing that you can do, whenever you are using your cameras for extensive hours in outdoor condition, keep your phone aside for few seconds or few minutes to let it cool down so that it performs very good and it doesn't consume any kind of heating on T3. It doesn't mean that you should not use your camera in outdoor condition. Use it, but give the camera some time to cool down. Follow these steps to keep your smartphone cool and also save your battery. If you are still facing the problem, I will suggest you to reset your device 3 to 4 times. This is because after update, some cache files remain in your system and that system gets corrupted after the update, so I will suggest you to reset your smartphone 3 to 4 times. So these are some steps that I have mentioned in this video to save your battery and get rid of heating issues. Let me know in the comment sections below if you have tried these methods or if you have get the heating issue under control. And if you have any questions regarding this smartphone, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions, and there are many videos related to T3, so you can check out those videos in the description below.